Alright guys, we're out here with the world's only 6-pack RC cooler. You guys may recognize this. We've had it for a couple years now. All you great people have sent me stickers. Well, you're seeing them right there. Like always, I show everybody who sent me some stickers on this one. We're going to do a GPS speed run on this. Got a 3S battery in there right now. I'll show you that after. We're running this speed run empty, so maybe we'll do it again fully loaded, but I don't have any brew with me right now. We're going to zero that out. There we go. Hit play and wait for this GPS to grab a signal. There we go, and we are good to go. We'll zero it out one more time. All right, we're good to go. We're just going to throw the GPS in there. Don't need to strap it down. We've got signal. Let's do it. Let's see what we get with this. Now, this was just a fun little project I did. Maybe we'll keep the handle up for some body protection, because we're going to be going full out on this one. Now, this is just on a GP Toys buggy 1/12 scale chassis here. So it's a little top heavy without a full load in there. So we've got to be mindful with the steering. All right, get down there a little bit. I honestly don't know. I did a speed run once with this, but I have no clue. I can't remember. Oh, we're up in the air a bit. All right, here we go. 3S speed run. It's not overly fast, but it's sure fun to drive, and it comes in great on the golf course. We'll run it back a couple times. We're just using the stock electronics from the donor chassis. Here we go, last run. A little more aerodynamic now with the handle. It just fell down. And we got a car coming. That's okay, we can take it off road. It's set up for some bashing too here. Oh, we saved it. All right, let's bring it in. Let's see what we got. Why don't we give it a little wheelie, a little show for you guys. All right, guys, let's bring it in. Let's see what we got. I have no clue. It wasn't that fast. We go 20.2 miles per hour on that one. Not overly fast. That was a 3S speed run. Why don't we bring it back over here? I'll show you what it's hard to pull battery out of this one, but what I could do is show you guys the exact battery I was running in there, which is this one right here. And these are garbage batteries, by the way. Don't ever buy them. SIGP 1100 milliamp hour 3S battery. One of the crappiest 3S batteries I have ever run. So we, I don't know, maybe one day we'll get a better battery in there for another run, but for this this cooler, it's fine for that.